It is a 80-kilometer stretch. In that 40 kilometers, almost 40 kilometers is maintained by Karnataka and remaining 40 is maintained by Goa. 90 major interruptions in the southern grid, म्हणजे काहीतरी सावथाक 80 to 85, म्हणजे 83 to be specific, were from Karnataka section and remaining was from the Goa section. Karnataka section जेन्ना ते हे जाता, we are not supposed to ते वचून रिपेर करपाक आमचे जायना. आमचे सेक्शन ते आमकां दिल्लें आसा, ते 40 kilometer structure which is maintained, 18 kilometers is maintained by Ponda division 3 and 22 by division 12 in Xeldem is what is being maintained. एक डिसिजन घेतला, म्हणजे चीफ मिनिस्टरान हांवें डिसिजन घेतला की वी विल डायवर्ट available power which is available for us in the northern grid. We will divert in the next 15 days. We are trying to make a mechanism, hopefully, power sir, we get a little dry spell, 15 days we will divert the entire power of South Goa to the northern grid, which is available. Underground cabling of 11 kV and 33 kV to stabilize the power systems in Goa. It is not going to happen overnight, but in a phased manner, which we are going to start tendering from the coming week itself. And over a period of next 2 months, you will see a lot of tenders being floated where आमचो जो Honorable Chief Minister has assured that all financial कितें जाय आपण दितलो, कित्याक गोंयचे आमचे म्हणजे हांव कितें सांगूं सोदता, फक्त इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट और निलेश काब्राल पावर मिनिस्टर जाला म्हणून कामां करूं शकना. गोंयचो सपोर्ट ना. हजारांनी किलोमिटराचे पयस लायट येता आमकां, हजारांनी किलोमिटर पयस, आनी जेन्ना घरा कडेन पावता 2 किलोमिटराचे 50 मिटराचे आनी 4 किलोमिटराचे लोक बंद करता. सो हांव